Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to find out if your TikTok account is monitored. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to open up your TikTok app. So I'm going to click on here. Just like so. After you open up your TikTok app, next thing you need to do is to simply click on the profile icon from the bottom right here. So click on that. It's open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to click on these three dots from the top. And the next thing you need to do is to click on settings and privacy. And the next thing you need to do is to click on security and permissions. And the next thing you need to do is to go to manage devices. So it open up like so. So on getting to this particular page, you will see your current login devices, which is going to be the first as the primary login device. If you have anybody that is monitoring you on your TikTok account, it's going to be the second options right here. And what you need to do is to simply click on this trash bin icon and delete the person from your TikTok account. It's as simple as that. Once you delete them, they will not be able to read your chat. They will not be able to see what you are doing in your private section on your TikTok account. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value from this video. Find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.